to Ellsworth, Wisconsin, home of YB Urban. Come on in, I'll show you around. Everybody, say hi to Jay.
Welcome in. What can I help you find today?
Do you know anybody stinky, dry, or chapped? Don't worry, we got you. We have a full line of fresh, natural hair care that's always sulfate, paraben, and gluten-free. Come on in to find some professionally formulated skincare, toxin-free home cleaning products, and a full line of pure essential oils at fair market prices. We have products for the whole family.
Bananas. Welcome to the Refill Center.
Wow, how does this work?
Well, you choose your container, and then you can pick from a refill of our most popular products. And each time you come in, you bring that empty container, and you're only paying for the refill of your product. Not only does that save you money, but it also helps save our planet from unneeded beauty waste.
That's amazing, Jay!
Right? I think it's pretty cool.
Did you know that we sell our product to shops all over the area and as far south as Kentucky?
Can you think of a shop in your area that would be perfect to carry YB Urban?
Fun fact, this building used to be a bank. YB Urban ships all over the United States, and we only use recycled packing materials. Have you heard of our product subscription program? You can be the first to test new YB Urban products and give us your feedback. YB Urban products are always made in our own in-house kitchen in small batches, never coming off of a factory line. Grapefruit and Hoewood salt scrub. We're open every Wednesday and Thursday from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. and Fridays and Saturdays from 11 to 5. Located here at 243 Broadway Street in Ellsworth, Wisconsin. We hope to see you soon.